Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful curls using the Irresistible Sapphire 8-in-1 curling wands. I am actually impressed with these ones, guys. These are all the products in the box. There are 8 different types of wands in the box. There is also a protective gloves, guys. So I'm going to tell you everything about this one that I know so far. So let's get started. There are 8 wands in the box. Also comes with a wand stand. In case you finish using your wand and you don't want to place it anywhere that it could burn anything, so you just place your wand on this until it cools down. Also comes with a leaflet that explains everything about each one for you guys and how to use them, beauty and basic styling tips right there. So this is what the handle of the wand looks like. It has an LCD screen right here which tells you the temperature of the wand, high button and low button control right there, and the power button in the middle right there. All the wands have 2 buttons right there. The 2 buttons are there to guide you on how to insert the wand into the handle, so it's very easy. The 2 buttons in the exact places located in the handle and press it in. That's it. It's as simple as that. So you just move the wand left or right, handle left to open and right to close. It's as easy as that. So one comes in this cute mini pouch right here. So this is the pouch for the wands. So when you finish using them, you put them back safely in the pouch. The biggest wand right there. I actually showed you guys how I used each of the wands to comb my hair and the kind of oils that I get from each one. So I'm going to show you guys in the middle of this video. I am quite impressed with the quality of the wands. The thing that comes in the box is the gloves. It's the Heat Protective gloves right there, and it has the Irresistible Me logo right there as well. So this is what the gloves looks like. I actually showed you guys how I use the wands to achieve different types of curls. I am quite a big fan of this wands because each ones give you different styles, different curls, different pattern, and just name it. So before I film this video for you guys, I've actually used the wand just to understand how long the curls last for. And I'm quite impressed about the fact that the curls lasted for days, because I was wearing the same wig for like almost a week. I'm quite impressed with the longevity of the curls. The curls lasted me longer than I expected. And another thing I like about this one is the fact that the price is a no-brainer. You've got 8 curling wands in one box and it costs about £200 at $200, and in most cases they always have sales on their website, so that makes it even a bargain for me, because compared to buying one from different brands which would cost you more, and at the end of the day you achieve the same results. I don't know if that makes sense really. So in terms of the price, it's a no-brainer. One GHD one costs like £100 or like over $100, and if you have to multiply 8 wands by that, that's almost about $800. I don't know if that makes sense. So in essence is that in terms of the price, it's a bargain. It's really a bargain. Like 8 big, small, fat, thin wands all in one box for $200. It's a bargain. Another thing I like about this particular brand is the fact that the quality of their wand is amazing. Like, you only need to hold the wand for like 10 seconds with the hair and guys, you're good to go. I like the fact that the curls lasted me more than I thought. No matter how hot the wand is, this gloves is there to protect your hands. It's really nice. Not too thick and not too light, but it's there to protect your hands when you use the wand. I'm surprised about the fact that I did not burn myself. I'm so clumsy when it comes to curling my hair, but so far so good. With these gloves I've been able to protect my hands and I didn't burn myself in any way, so yay. So the most interesting things I actually noticed about the wand is the fact that it has an auto shut off mode, which means it turns off by itself if it's not in use. I also like the fact that it's good value for money because it saves you more money compared to buying each one from different brands. Like for example, if you get one from GHD, it's gonna cost about $100+, and multiply that by 8, it's almost $800 compared to buying the all 8 at once with $200, which you might also get an offer sometimes on their website. So this is the fact that you can create any styles, guys, any style you like, beach waves to tight coils to, you know, the list is endless. You have loads and loads of choice of hairstyles to go for with the ones, which I really quite like. And I also showed you guys how to create different types of curls with the ones, so stay tuned to watch that bit. I also like the fact that it has a cooling bit. All the ones have a cooling bit, which is a plus for me. In case you accidentally touch the edge of your wand, then you be rest assured that your hand is not going to burn. So that's a good thing. I find it very hard to pick my favorite from the ones, like seriously, all the ones have their own unique style to them, so I find it very hard to, you know, pick a favorite. So it depends on the kind of style you're going for really, but for me, I could go with any one of them at any time. But I just decided to show you one on how I achieve this coily hair right here. I'm a huge fan, guys. I am a huge fan. And I also like the fact that it doesn't give that burning smell that you get from some of those, you know, ones in the markets, which is quite horrible. But with this one, you don't get that horrible smell at all when coiling your hair, because sometimes some one smells like your hair is burning, but this one doesn't have that smell to it at all. The thing that I need to put out there for all my divas based in Europe is the fact that you need a converter for the plug. You can get that anywhere. I actually got mine at £1 store, so that's the only thing that I think I need to put out there, that you really, you know, have to bear that in mind, that you need a converter. But I got mine for £1 and it works perfectly fine. Right there, I got mine for £1 and it works perfectly fine, so I'm all good. Last but not the least point that I really like about these ones is the fact that it eats up really fast, like that fast, and you can already tell on the LCD as fast as the number goes up. So I'm really quite impressed with that as well, because that's part of the function of the LCD. It shows you how fast and how high the temperatures go real quick. So I'm quite impressed about that as well. So in my opinion, I would definitely recommend the wands based on all the points that I've mentioned so far. Those are my thoughts about the wand. I highly recommend it, and I'll also include a 20% discount code for you guys in case you check their website and it's not on sale. You're gonna get 20% off using my code, which is a no-brainer. It's just a bargain. And watch how I use different ones at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.